Insert a rectangle that matches the size of the slide. Then insert a properly sized circle and place it on the left side of the slide. Select both shapes simultaneously. Go to Shape Format and choose Fragment. Delete the parts of the shapes that extend beyond the slide. Set No Outline under Shape Format, and fill the shape with black for the left shape. Set No Outline under Shape Format, and fill the shape with white for the right shape. Click the left shape, setting the transparency to 50%. Insert an image, right-click it, and click Cut. Go to Design, then choose Format Background, and choose Clipboard. Insert a rounded rectangle, adjust the corner radius to maximum, set it to No Outline, and fill it with the slide background. Add text to the slide. Duplicate the rounded rectangle and overlap it with the original. Change the color of the duplicated rectangle to gray. Insert a properly sized circle and align it with the left edge of the rounded rectangle. Set the circle to No Outline, fill it with black, and add a number inside the circle. Select the rounded rectangle, go to Animations, and choose Wipe. Under Effect Options, set the direction to From Left, then set the duration to 1.7 seconds. Select the circle, go to Animations, choose Path Animation, and click Lines. Drag the line to a horizontal direction and extend it. For the circle, in Animations, set the Start option to with Previous, and adjust the duration to 1.5 seconds. Select both the rounded rectangle and the circle, then duplicate them 3 times. Modify the text. Then we are done.